Hello everyone, this is Marios Hadjikyriakos here at Exam, and today we'll examine the upcoming Fed policy meeting as well as the outlook for the dollar. So, back in March, we saw the Fed strike a much more cautious tone, revising down its growth forecasts and effectively abandoning its plans to raise interest rates this year. Chairman Powell gave several reasons for this dovish shift, most of them having to do with weakness in other major economies like China and Europe. Ever since then, incoming data have been mixed. For example, GDP growth was very strong in quarter one, but most of that strength was driven by temporary factors that will probably fade in a few months. Meanwhile, inflation slowed significantly, which will probably be worrisome for policymakers. Finally, we did see some early signs that China and Europe are stabilizing, but definitely not enough to calm concerns around those economies. So, putting this all together, Chairman Powell could maintain a cautious tone overall and implicitly keep a rate cut on the table if the economy deteriorates, which may weigh on the dollar a little. Having said that, though, market pricing is already very pessimistic, so any downside in the dollar is unlikely to be massive either. So, specifically, a rate cut by December is now priced in with an 85% probability, a number that has been growing lately. And yet, the dollar has actually gained in the recent weeks, even despite fading support from relative interest rates. This has to do with weakness in other major currencies. So, for example, the euro cannot attract demand with the European economy being so fragile, the British pound continues to be haunted by Brexit, and Japanese interest rates are so low that the yen isn't appealing without a risk aversion. The bottom line is that there is currently no realistic alternative to the dollar, and for that to change, we would probably need to see one of the narratives in the other economies improve, most importantly, the European growth story. So that's it from me. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.